Now I request our beloved director, Dr. M.N. Channabasappa, to give the inaugural address.
Good morning, Eldrigu Namaskaralu. At the outset, I offer my respectful pranams at the lotus feet of His Holiness Sri Sri Shivkumar Swamiji and His Holiness Sri Sri Siddhalinga Swamiji. Respected members of Siddhganga Education Society, all the first year students of 2016-17 who are the youngest owners of SIT, you are the youngest owners of SIT, I repeated it, and their respected parents. My esteemed colleagues, invitees, a very hearty welcome to all of you. Dear students, you have selected SIT for your engineering studies. I heartily congratulate you because somebody must have told you that SIT is a good college, and the Government of India this year has also declared that it is one of the top 100 engineering colleges of the country. I really congratulate you for joining this good institution. Some of you have a feeling that you could not make it to IITs or NITs, no matter. With determination and focused work, you can achieve in SIT whatever you wanted to achieve elsewhere. All achievers you have heard of or read about have done through only hard work. The Nobel laureate Albert Einstein, the creator of theory of relativity, was asked, "Sir, what is the secret of your success?" His answer was 99% perspiration and 1% inspiration. In the English dictionary, if you search the word success and work, only in the dictionary success comes before work. But in real life, word precedes success. Work precedes success. You have done well so far in your education, and that has helped you to get admission to a good institution like SIT. Now, in order to continue your success in the same strain, you have to continue to work hard. Because if you think you have done well in SSLC and PU, it's okay, I have entered in university and that will continue. There is a Subhashita in Sanskrit, Nahi suktasya simhasya pravishanti mukhe mrugaha. It only means lion, the king of forest. If it thinks I am the king of forest and just sits comfortably, other animals on their own will not enter its mouth and form the food for the lion. Lion has to continue to work even if it is a lion. You are all merited students, therefore that merit should sustain. Therefore the hard work should just continue. There is a story about Einstein's driver. Before that, I would just mention that most of the college students, the moment they enter the college, think that they are no more primary school children. They don't have to attend every one of the classes held in the college. That is a false assumption. Unless you attend all the classes, you will not succeed. There is a big reward instituted by Swamiji for those who attend every one of the classes in a semester. In a semester, if you are present in every class, you will get an award of 500 rupees, which you can use to buy books. You have 8 semesters in 4 years, 8 into 4,000 rupees you can get as reward. Not only that, this will be finding a place in your record. And those who go through your academic record will find that you are a person who is totally committed and totally regular in your work. So let me come to Einstein again. In 1920s, when Einstein's theory of relativity was published, many universities in Europe and elsewhere invited Einstein for lectures. Einstein's lectures were really difficult to follow with all the mathematics involved. Hardly anybody could follow, even including the big professors in the beginning. But wherever Einstein went, his driver accompanied him, and he sat in the front bench and listened with rapt attention to whatever Einstein was lecturing. After this happened in about a dozen universities, the driver felt encouraged. I have learned everything whatever Einstein could tell me. I have sat there with attention. So he made a proposal to his master. Sir, in the next university, let us exchange positions. I will lecture, you will sit as my driver. Einstein was naturally amused. Okay, let us try. So it happened in one of the universities. The driver could repeat whatever Einstein could have said in his position. And at the end, and this driver who was lecturing picked up one of those and read it, looked at the audience, looked at the person who had put up that question. Then smilingly he said, "Such a simple question, my driver will answer it." Driver was sitting in the front line. So that was the story of the moral of the story is, if you listen in the classroom with rapt attention, you are likely not to miss any information that the teacher is giving you. Therefore, let us attend every one of the classes. At the same time, let us also be giving a rapt attention to whatever is happening there. I am very happy to announce that SIT is a college with a difference for more than one reason. And the important reason you have already been told, that you are ranked among the top 100 colleges. But our India ranking is 70. And on this occasion, I would request and appeal to every one of you, by the time that you leave this college after 4 years, please leave this college with the ranking of at least 50, from 70 to 50. So if all of us join together, you and we should be able to, with the blessings of our holiness, do it. That is an appeal to you. Yeah. I don't see any reason why you should have any apprehension to be in this particular college. You are all new to the place, most of you, and new language and new environment. And this is one college where there is no ragging. Can you imagine that? That is correct information that you are getting. Some time back, it was even 15 years back perhaps, the Education Minister of Karnataka government made a statement in the State Assembly. SIT is the only college which has no ragging information. So we had not invited that minister to the college. He had not visited. He had his own information. That was the information that was splashed on all the national newspapers, even 15 years back. So that, with the help of all teachers and students, SIT has that particular reputation where there is no ragging. So you youngsters would continue with that tradition and enhance the name of SIT. The only perhaps important item to be attended is your homesickness. You are away from your parents and grandparents, and if that is the feeling, let me tell you that His Holiness is the grandfather of 9,000 plus kids in Siddhganga Gurukula. And another 1,000 from your side should not be a problem for His Holiness to accept you as his grandchildren. Therefore, whenever you have your birthday or any other occasion where you feel that you are away from your parents, please visit His Holiness at Siddhganga Mutt. And this is one place, and this is one saint who can be visited without any prior appointment. Anybody, anytime, if he is there in this mutt, he will be able to just accept you and you can talk to him, take his blessings. Therefore, you don't have to worry that you are away from your parents. Yeah, I don't want to take much of your time, and our principal has already made an appeal to all of you that you can participate in Swachh Bharat Abhiyan and many other good things. And we are also thinking of organizing yoga practices in the morning and in the evening in the college. And those who give their names and take, you need not be worried about your body is not bending forwards or backward as required. That is not an issue at all. So do the exercises to the level that it is possible for you. Be comfortable, and good health is a prerequisite. Therefore, follow that. Now, SIT is a co-ed college. I am very happy to see boys and girls with their bright faces and innocent looks. And let the same innocent grace prevail on the graduation day after 4 years. I do not wish to say more on this subject except to mention that certain processes in life are not reversible. So let all of us take the benefit of following Lakshmana Rekha. Dr. Prabhudev was the Vice Chancellor of Bangalore University. It was some 7-8 years back he visited our college on an occasion like this. And he is a heart surgeon. He said, "Dear boys and girls, I am a heart surgeon. I might have cut open thousands of hearts, but in no case I have found a boy or a girl in any of the hearts. Therefore, when somebody tells you that you are in his heart, you take it with a pinch of salt." That was his advice. Again, our principal has requested that you give your wards the money or cash, and don't give your card at all. You can just send some money through a check or DD, which they can cash and use it. And particular appeal is to mothers and grandparents. So in secret, they may pass on some more cash to their grandchildren. So this is again not a welcome thing. And we are not a non-veg hostel. We are a vegetarian hostel. And vegetarian Even animals, they are very strong. Look at the elephant. It doesn't take anything which is non-veg. Therefore, if our hostels are veg hostels, you are lucky that you are in a way for good health. Therefore, be happy with it and eat. A lot many fruits are available in Tumkur, just outside the gate. There are stalls where good fruits are available. When I was in Delhi last year, I was searching for a plant and I had to walk miles. I could not find any, only buildings, high-rise buildings. But Tumkur is a place where things are available, and spend your money not on kurkure and similar things. Eat a number of fruits, drink milk. This is what my advice to you. When I go around the hostels, sometimes I find the walls pasted with photographs of cricketers and film people. I don't grudge you for that. Along with those photos, you also keep on your table a photograph of your parents. That would remind you every morning and evening that there are people who are always praying for your good health in Siddhaganga Institute of Technology campus. With these words, again wishing you all the best for 4 years. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.